This class stands out because we actually have to be on the field helping our athletes, and I don't see any of our other programs that do that.
When I'm on the field, I stay very calm because Victoria has drilled emergency preparedness into us. Being in this class helps me with the future career in emergency medicine because I watch Victoria stay calm throughout providing help to injured athletes, and it gives me a sense of calm knowing that she knows what she's doing and everything is going to be okay.
Recently in class we've been doing some counting so we could prepare for some campus visits, specifically at Collegewood. We think about if we were in the mindset of like a TK child, how would they go about doing that task? I feel like going off campus is a great opportunity to really just get a lot of experience that you never really would have otherwise. You really get to engage with the kids, kind of learn about them a little bit more, and sometimes even learn about yourself as well. Actually being in this class and going on campus talking to the kids, it really solidified that I really do want to go into this pathway.
So in Virtual Enterprise, we're working with a team of 10 to create a business idea from scratch through collaboration and working out and brainstorming all together. Beginning of the year, I wasn't into marketing and finance as I am now. After working with last year's financial officers, I gained a lot of financial intel when it comes to valuations and intrinsic value. I would think that a lot of people think virtual enterprise might be boring because of how slowly paced it is, but a lot of people don't understand that it takes a bunch of skill and time to be able to learn and incorporate what you learned into what you're doing.
This class makes you more resourceful as it teaches you how to actually think critically about daily life or with any other project that you actually might do. For me, a project that made me think more resourcefully was the bracket project, as we had a ton of restraints and criteria that we had to hit for a bracket lifting up a mass. Even though it was something simple, we had a ton of stuff we had to consider for it. If anyone's interested in engineering, just try it. It's not some big scary thing. Just try it. I think that's the best thing.
I joined this program as oh, maybe this is a fun little class that I could have, but after my first year, I realized that I could really gain something out of this, and not just as a hobby, but as a career.
This classroom is not a real traditional classroom. You do get to go out and talk to clients and talk to people, the same types of people that you'll see in a real job.
This class gives me the opportunity to freely express myself because I can incorporate my own ideas and creative style into many projects. Video production skills are important nowadays because with the trends of social media, many jobs require people with strong storytelling, and that will give people a good advantage.
In this class, we're taught a lot of things. We're taught to draw blood, take vital signs, wound care, and we learn to give vaccines to people. Some of the soft skills that we learn are critical thinking, compassion, empathy towards others, communication, and time management. I really like helping people, and my mom's a nurse as well, so it inspired me to do something in this field as well. I feel you have all types of cases, all types of things going on with the patient, and you just gotta understand that you're there for that person, you're there to help that person, no matter what's going on with them on a personal level.
Join CTE! Join CTE!
Join CTE! Join CTE!
Join CTE!